Now we are going to learn how to download Python requirement softwares. First step, we are going to download Anaconda prompt. Open Google Chrome and type Anaconda. In the first link, you can able to see the individual edition of Anaconda. Click individual edition, and here you can able to see the download button. Click download. The download started automatically. Now Anaconda prompt is successfully downloaded in our system. Double click, it start installing. Click next, give agree, and give just for me. Next, add Anaconda to my path environmental variable. Install.